Good afternoon. My name is Ruben Alaman, and I've had the pleasure of knowing Joel and his great company, Mr. Mold, for over 10 years. My first experience with him, I actually had some family members, my daughters, who were having some really bad allergies. We took them to several doctors, and I decided to go ahead and get my house tested for mold. I actually called Joel. He actually personally came out to my home. He was extremely professional, knowledgeable, provided me with so much valuable information on the medical effects of mold. And we're going back over 10 years. And he actually found two areas in my home that contain mold. One was a sliding glass door that I was getting water intrusion. And the second was in my AC handler, my interior AC handler, where the repairman actually did not properly seal the duct, and the condensation was actually building mold. So he was able to identify those areas. He did some testing inside my home. He was absolutely correct and pinpointed the issues. I had the issue resolved, and within 30 days, 60 days, my daughter's allergies improved like 99%, and I am forever grateful. And again, choosing his company would be one of the best investments that you can do for your family's health and for your home. Thank you.